Why is it that people are so fixated with passive income? Why did you even click on this video, to begin with? That's because passive income arouses in us a longing for independence. We can get up whenever we want, travel wherever we want, and work our way up to a place where we can basically buy everything we want with passive income. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll show you 4 of the best passive income ideas for 2022. Now, one small disclaimer. Aside from the last approach I'll show you, true passive income does not exist. You don't just click your fingers and money emerges out of nowhere, do you? Passive income does exist. All you have to do is change your mindset about it. It's similar to farming, you see. You must first sow the seeds, after which you will reap the benefits of your labor for many years. However, as I previously stated, the first 3 tactics I'll show you take some time to get started. However, once you've gotten them up and running, they'll continue to pay off for years and years to come. The first passive income strategy is one that I've witnessed firsthand. Friends of mine have gone from nothing to $10,000 a month in a very short period of time by developing a Skillshare course. Everyone now has a skill they excel at, whether it's fitness, accountancy, photography, or simply showing people how to arrange their files on their computer. These are all things that people are actively searching for on Skillshare right now. Most people aren't aware, but the most popular course in history was an Excel spreadsheet course. When it comes to establishing a course, the most common fear is, where will I get the eyeballs? Second, what if I don't follow through on the price? Skillshare, on the other hand, addresses both of these difficulties. Skillshare provides the eyeball, so you don't have to be an ad or organic marketing guru. You also don't have to worry about refunds because the course isn't paid for by the students. Skillshare is the one who pays you, and it works in a similar way to Spotify in that Skillshare users pay a monthly fee, and then you, the creator, are paid depending on the number of views and the length of time people spend watching your course. Now, this takes away a lot of the anxiety that comes with preparing a course. So Skillshare is by far the simplest method to get a course up and going with the least amount of risk and with a platform that can actually provide you direction and eyeballs. So, if you listened to the first passive income technique and immediately came up with a course idea, Skillshare might be the way to go. The benefit of the next passive income method is that you don't have to make any products or provide any services yourself. Affiliate marketing is when you assist in the sale of other people's products or services in exchange for a commission. Let me give you an illustration. I own a software company that assists agencies in attracting more clients, keeping them longer, and streamlining their procedures. And it took me a long time and a lot of money to produce with my business partner. Aside from that, I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every year by advertising other softwares that solve problems in fields where I don't have the expertise to develop software. The best part is that some of these affiliate networks pay you a recurring commission of 20 to 40% per month. It does not, however, have to be software. Amazon, after all, has the world's largest affiliate program. So, if you can write a good review for a recommended product, you can make a lot of money. So, whether you open a blog, a TikTok account, or even a free Discord channel, if you build up a small niche audience, you may generate an easy, full-time income by recommending things to your audience. The best aspect is that you don't have to develop these products or services yourself. Now, in 2022, let's move on to the next passive income concept. Do you think this video is entertaining? Actually, I have something to say to you. I generally make between $1,000 and $3,000 in AdSense for each video like this one. But what if you could make even 10% of that? I'm sure you'd still be happy and thrilled to make videos. That is, after all, the allure of YouTube. We have youngsters as young as 7 and grandparents as elderly as 90 who make 6 figures a year by recording and distributing films. Now, YouTube is a slow burn at first, but it is truly the gift that keeps on giving, much like the analogy I made earlier of the form. This is why it's the video's third passive income idea. Stay persistent and upload 1 to 2 times per week, and I guarantee you'll be making a nice full-time income from YouTube within 365 days. Now, YouTube isn't for everyone because it requires you to put yourself out there, but if that doesn't deter you, it's easily one of the trendiest methods to create passive income in 2022. Investing is the final passive income method, and it is the truest type of passive income. This is due to the fact that all you need are the seeds. To acquire the produce, you don't even have to do any work to water the plants. That is, in fact, someone else's responsibility. Now, the most reliable way to become a millionaire over a long enough length of time is to invest. You can invest in the S&P 500, real estate, or cryptocurrency. You know, it's really simply a matter of personal preference. The most crucial thing is that you know what you're investing in and that you have a long-term investment horizon. Personally, I invest in cryptocurrencies and primarily monitor it because I believe in its long-term acceptance as well as its fantastic risk-to-reward ratio and watch it. Because I'm quite familiar with them, and it's been a wonderful active investment that I've been able to wear. Also, keep in mind that each of these 4 tactics has the potential to generate a sizable monthly passive income. But the real money and the true secret is in developing an online business that can earn you $100,000 or more each year. I recently posted a video about the finest models for 2022 in order to achieve just that. That video is a huge hit with you guys. It's the most popular video among my subscribers so far, in the year 2022. As a result, I'll leave that as the first link in the description. I'll simply redirect you to another YouTube video. And in that video, I examine the best 6 company concepts for making $100,000 per year as a complete newbie with no prior expertise. You're well on your way to living the good life now, thanks to this film and the video in the description. So please know that I am cheering for you to succeed.